Hi everyone, Steve Petronella here. I wanted to show you some real life usage today with the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. And part of the process is going to be to give you an idea of using the device itself along with solar. Let me take you outside and show you the solar. So this is the solar panel that's outside. This is the PS100 Anker SOLIX panel. And so I'm going to be using this to feed in some solar on the inside. And so I basically have some outdoor solar connectors, some MC4 bulkheads, so I can actually send solar through the wall. So I kind of wanted to just show you guys how this was set up and give you an idea of what I'm doing out here, and then I'm going to head back inside. All right, everyone, I'm back inside with the unit. So here's it right, here's the unit right here, and I want to show you where the solar's coming in. So we're actually coming in on the right side out there, up into this, and then I've got it flowing into the side of the C2000 Gen 2. So just to give you an idea, this is the current setup. Okay, so right now I'm powering my office equipment with the C2000 Gen 2. And to do that, I'm using a TT30 to NEMA adapter. And then this adapter is actually feeding into the manual transfer switch. And I'm using the manual transfer switch to power my office equipment. Now, the way this setup was actually originally done before I had an opportunity to test the C2000 Gen 2 out here is I actually have two F3800s with a double power hub. And this plug here is actually what goes into the double power hub. And in obviously an emergency situation or in a backup situation, I can actually power my manual transfer switch with the 50 amp double power hub from the two F3800s and then the corresponding BP3800s. So I kind of wanted to give you an idea of this would be like normal use, and this is going to be my office use. Okay, so here's the main screen. Here's the display screen coming in, and here's my wattage coming in from the solar outside. And then here is the watts that are being used by the office equipment. So I wanted to give you guys a look at that. And then when you click the power button, it'll actually cycle you to the next screen, which shows your total input. And then as you can see here, 51 watts on the DC side. If I had the AC hooked up, of course, it would be that number plus the DC for the total. And then if you click the button a second time, this actually gives you your total output, which is showing how much the equipment's using, 215 watts. Now, if I had any of the USB ports hooked up, or if I was using the carport, of course, you'd see that wattage out of there too. So I just wanted to give you this particular view of the screen so you could actually see how these screens look. And what's nice about this is you don't actually have to go into the app. So that makes it pretty handy for you to check out this information. I want to say thanks, everyone. I just wanted to give you some real world usage of this Anker C2000 Gen 2 and just give you an idea of how I intend to use it with my office equipment. I'm definitely going to have more videos coming. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you again.